Did your mom dress you like a tool today? Are you wearing leg warmers? Your onesie kind of looks like you have puff sleeves because it's too big for you. Yeah. Nothing matches. Because you barfed on the first two things I put on you today. Do you remember that? Remember? Zoom. Baby double chins. Cross-eyed. I'm gonna do a wrap around and get your baby mullet. Can I see your baby mullet? Got all of this hair here. Oh, and then we've got a baby mullet. Look at all of that hair. You have sideburns.